Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 10x zoom, and let me share with you how to enable the OTG connection on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it, and here let's scroll down almost to very bottom in order to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down again a little bit, and as you can see here we've got the OTG connection option, which is right now obviously turned off. So if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here. Since it is green, it means that this option is active, so your device will have the OTG connection turned on. And if you'd like to turn them off, you've got two different ways to do that. As you can see, you can wait, because this option will be automatically turned off when it will be not in use for 10 minutes, or you can of course turn it off manually just by tapping on the switcher. So it's up to you how you prefer to do that. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the OTG connection in your OPPO Reno 10x zoom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.